Hello Trade Pros, this is Victoria from TRADEPRO Academy, and today we've got part 3 of our Forex mini-series explaining currency pairs and understanding the majors, how we like to look at the USD, Swiss franc, and how we like to look at the analysis on Metatrader. So let's just go ahead and get started. The USD Swiss franc could be considered a safe haven currency. There are similarities between the yen and the Swiss franc in that they are both considered safe haven assets. The Swiss franc is considered a safe haven asset because the Swiss economy is considered very stable and the franc will rise in value when market uncertainty does or equities drop. Like the Bank of Japan, the Swiss National Bank, the SNB, has intervened a few times regarding the currency, which has led to increased volatility in the currency. Also, like Japan, they like to keep their rates fairly low. As we mentioned numerous times before, the Swiss franc has a high gold correlation, due to the fact that it is a huge gold reserve backing about a quarter of its money with gold. Right here on our little chart, we have the USD Swiss franc, and on the bottom, these little red blobs are gold in comparison to the Swiss franc in a correlatory little fashion down here. So the USD Swiss franc is negatively correlated to gold because the Swiss franc is positively correlated to gold. So right here, this little line marks the zero mark. So whenever gold price is above right here, that is above zero, and we can see a drop off typically in the USD Swiss franc. When it's in negative territory right here, huge globs to the downside, we can see an increase in its value. So let's jump into some analysis using gold and the USD Swiss franc with both TradingView and Metatrader. So right here we've pulled up the daily USD Swiss franc and the gold correlation down beneath. Right here we can see there is a little divergence in these correlations. You can see gold is trickling lower on a larger time frame here, while USD Swiss franc is also dropping off as we do expect it to climb up. So down here we could potentially find some support for a retrace if this divergence does continue. We want to see the upside right here on gold if this currency pair is to drop. If we dive into a smaller time frame right here, the 1 hour, relatively downtrend, but right here you can see gold tricking lower while the USD Swiss franc is trying to make some new highs. If we jump into the futures right here, we can see there is a general downtrend, more sideways action in gold, nothing really too severe that we could use to correlate our currency pair. So jumping into Metatrader right now, we will expect some slight bearishness in the Swiss franc, just looking at how gold is reacting to market prices. So right here, USD Swiss franc dropping off, mainly because the US dollar index is finding some downside. If we are to continue this bearish side, we want to see gold continue to rise. We need gold to break certain levels to the upside, and this currency pair will be more of a bearish play. Right here on the daily, we can see very bearish moves over the past few days, few weeks even. If we jump into the 1 hour, we are relatively bearish on the overall trend, but slightly bullish above these moving averages. On the 30-minute, above these moving averages. So these three time frames do not coincide. Right here, MACD pressing lower, well beneath the 0 point mark. If we want to confirm our bearish bias, we want to see the daily bounce right off these moving averages while MACD continues lower, and we want to see our lower time frames actually drop beneath their moving averages in a bearish cross and continue lower while gold does trickle higher. So that's what we're looking for in coming days, coming weeks even, and that was a little analysis using gold and the USD Swiss franc. So guys, next time we're going to be looking at the GBP USD, the cable USD pair, the British pound USD pair. So I hope you enjoyed this short little video. It's Victoria from TRADEPRO Academy, and stay tuned for the continuation of this series. Bye bye everyone.